So today's video is how to do a roundhouse kick, okay? Not a typical karate roundhouse kick, but I want to make it effective enough that when you are executing your kick, that you are going to break your opponent's legs off, okay? And how to do that, I'm going to modify a little bit to have the kick also incorporating some of the Muay Thai philosophy behind it, okay? So if you do a roundhouse kick in karate, it's about snapping, right? So we do that. We do the snapping. And we snap like that, right? The problem with the snapping in itself, it's nice to snap for points. So let's say he's holding up here, and I go, hey, snap for point, just like that. Hey, snap for point, just like that. But you want to kick through the opponent, right? And how to go through the opponent is you have to throw your whole body into it, right? Just like stand over and punch. Just like if I punch this way here, I punch this way, but my body go through him, right? I want to use body. I don't stop like that. I go this way, bah, right? I go ay, bah, right? So same thing when I kick. So go a little bit low. Okay. When you kick, it's harder, much harder for someone to block if you kick low. Okay, if you kick high, they can block with two hands like that, right? If you kick hard enough, you probably can break their hands too, but most likely they can block. Now, when you kick somewhere low into the legs area, it's very hard for them to block, right? Most likely they're just gonna check it, okay? So instead of just kicking the karate way and here and stop like that, right? I want you to focus on kicking here with the shin of your leg, and I want you to imagine, although you're kicking here, but actually you're kicking past his body, okay? So your body wants to sink in this way. See, they sink in. Hey, see how I turn my body in? Turn your whole body in, right? So don't go here and stay still and snap. Not like that. But more in, it's like going up here and then bam, down like that. Right? This, you see that? And right? When your whole body is to him, trust me, it's hard to block. Okay? So in order to do that, learn how to turn your front leg, pivot, and then drill this up this way here, drill, and then boom, sink down. So this turn, down. All right, again, sink down. All right, once you understand that already, by kicking low, then you can learn, go a little bit higher, right? Higher, same, down. Right? Down. Okay? Throw your body in. All right? Don't worry about think that right when you kick like that, the guy block, and then you gotta get back and get into a fighting stance with him again. Trust me, when you put enough of your weight, your mass transfer into that kick, right? For him to block you, he's still going to be shattered and going backwards, okay? And the truth is, the heavier you are, the more mass you put into that kick, and the harder for him to block, all right? So practice this roundhouse kick using your hip and thinking about kicking beyond his body. All right, so here goes the other part. Earlier I showed you the roundhouse kick, right? So now I'm going to show you the side kick, okay? For a side kick, so in karate, same thing. They hold up this way here, and they snap and back, right? You go up, snap and back, right? I want you kick through like here, and then from here, I want you, bam, like really extend your body here and here. Extend your body like that, right? Extend your body so you can get that full thrust. So he moves in, and we go, bah, extend your body, okay? Now, you watch. There's a lot of clip of Bruce Lee doing his side kick, and he kicks through the punching bag, and you can see the impact on that back, okay? So today, I want you to practice on doing a side kick where you kick at the heel of the foot, and then once you open this way here, I want your body should be aligned like that, okay? Your body should not cave this way, should not become a V, but pretty much straight like that, okay? Once it becomes a V like this here, really there's no power, anything, you're gonna jam your hip, right? So you wanna extend this way here. your butt pull back, and from here, push, okay? So here, again, chamber, like this, shuffle, bam, okay? So I'm gonna do a little bit harder. Come on close, harder, ay, bah, okay? One more time, ay, bah, okay? So, roundhouse kick, side kick, just make sure that you are using a lot of your hip and also going through the person, okay? Just always imagining that you are kicking to the back of his body, okay? And not just only stop at the target, right? So when we practice and when we do our kata and stuff like that, we tend to stop at where the target is, right? But I want you to take it up to another notch and focus on going through the body. Okay. All right, so now I'm gonna share with you the third kick, okay? Again, same philosophy, you wanna kick through his body, so it comes up. So not a front snap kick, not a front snap kick, right? Not a thrust kick, but more this, bring up here, right? And then here, out that way. So here and bam, like that, okay? Slow, I'm doing this way. Up and bam, like that, right? It's like bam, impact into his body. Same thing, you focus on, come on closer, you're focusing on kicking the back of him, right? So from here, opponent's coming, right? You're gonna go, bah, like that. And it's a lot behind your body. Again, up, bah, okay? This kick here is extremely useful, okay? Because, okay, without the pad. So let's say opponent's coming here, right? As he charges you, you see I'm gonna bring it up like this way here. See, if he charges you, I'm bringing it up. I can go boom, break his knee. Or I can go boom, break his rib cage, right? So he charges. I want to bring up right away, right? I want to go up and boom. See that, right? Or I go boom, right there. Very effective kick, right? It's different from doing this. It's different from doing front snap kick, okay? And this is the kind of kick here that you actually, it's like an extension of a punch, right? An extension of a punch, because you go here and it's like your third arm out that way. All right? All right, so these are the 3 kicks that I want to share with you. Try to practice them. Remember, focus on using your hip and just kick through your opponent, okay? If you like what you saw, please click like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.